Hello winners! Welcome to the Only Profit You Academy channel. Today we proudly explain State Bank of India stock, the Indian multinational public sector banking company. We recommended this stock on 11 September 2020 at 9:45 am and the recommended value was between 199 and 154. We had mentioned the target price between 232 to 1109 plus Indian rupees. We achieve our fifth target successfully in under 12 months and obtaining a price now 430.65 rupees. We acquired it under our suggested time 3:30 pm of 3rd September 2021. With the upbeat pace, we will also achieve our next 6th, 7th and 8th goals. To experience some more relatable recommendation videos, you can subscribe to our channel and stay updated always. Would you please share our content with those interested in investing or trading in the stock market? It can be a game changer for them.